My name is Mr. My name
Today
is
we are,
Krishna.
today we are, today we are going to be presenting about 10 biggest mega projects in the world. Introduction of mega projects. Mega projects are large-scale, complex ventures which typically cost billions of dollars and takes many years to build and develop. And it involves public and private stakeholders. And it also has a long-lasting impact on environment, economy, and society. These projects span across various sectors, including infrastructure, energy, technology, urban development, etc. Key characteristics and examples of mega projects. Key characteristics of mega projects are high cost, long duration, multiple stakeholders, complex management, etc. And examples of mega projects are Panama Canal expansion, European transport, etc. Importance of mega projects. Importance of mega projects are enhancing infrastructure for economic growth and creating jobs and improving connectivity. North Saudi Arabia. What it is? A planned futuristic, high-tech, sustainable city of the northwest Saudi Arabia. Part of Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 program, where they diversify its economy away from the soil. It involves several sub-projects: the line, a linear car-free city, Oxagon and Trojana, etc. Cost and scale initially estimated $500 billion US. However, internal audits in 2025 raised the projected amount to 8.8 to 9 trillion US dollars. Potentially taking the multiple decades. Some estimates that the project may take until 2080 to be finalized. The line envisioned as a straight ultra-modern corridor city with mirrored facades, no cars, high-speed transport powered by renewables, green hydrogen production facility. One of the world's largest, partnering with companies like Air Products and ACWA Power. Costs have increased. Infrastructure, renewable energy, sustainable technologies, etc. Challenges and status: rising costs, scaling back some ambitions, some parts delayed or restructured. Funding mixture of Saudi Public Investment Fund and private sector. IPO was considered. Some sub-projects, example Trojana, parts of the line have modified stages. Trans-European Transport Network. An EU initiative to build and upgrade transport infrastructure across Europe. High-speed rail roads, bridges, ports, airports, making cross-border transport smoother, integrating transport modes, improving connectivity and sustainability. Cost and scale. It is the core network. The core network is initially estimated up to 515 billion to complete around by 2030. If you include extended components or meet more stringent standards, some figures suggest cost up to 850 billion national funds. Goals. The goals are to reduce travel times and enable better freight movement across borders and to improve interoperability. Example: track gauge, signaling, reduce carbon emissions in transport. Enhance cross-border segments to
to ensure seamless connections. The challenges and status are some projects are behind schedule and falling shortfalls for certain border links, technical standardization and environmental and climate adaptation constraints.
California High-Speed Rail. It is a project used to build a rail line from San Francisco to LA. It provides citizens a high-speed rail that is efficient. It is estimated from for the build of this project. Its estimated cost is around 100 billion to 150 billion. Challenges and status. Delays in construction, funding gaps, political and public scrutiny around cost overruns. South to North Water Transfer Project. It is an infrastructure project to divert water from water-rich southern China to dry arid north. It consists of 3 canals routes to supply water to northern provinces and cities. It is, as of earlier estimates, the cost was about 70 billion to 78 billion. Length and scale large. Massive civil engineering tunnels, canals. Goals and benefits. It provides water from agriculture, industry, household in water deficit, northern China, shortages and supports economic growth. Challenges and status. Environmental concern, maintenance and operation costs, technical challenges. International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor (ITER). It is a massive international project in France to build a tokamak type fusion reactor to demonstrate that fusion energy is feasible on large scale. A scientific experiment aimed at eventually providing clean, virtually limitless energy. Initial budget 6 billion euros, but total projected cost of construction and operation revised to 18 to 22 billion euros. Some other estimates run higher depending on delays, cost overruns. Goals. Prove fusion as a practical net energy positive power source. Develop technologies for future fusion reactors. Challenges and status. Very complex engineering that lead to delays in construction and component manufacturing. Budget increases over time. It is under construction. First plasma phase expected in coming years.
Merak hydropower station. It is a planned hydropower dam on the Yerlong Dasbun River, also known as Brahmaputra, in Tibet. Cost and speed 60,000 megawatts, which will make it the largest hydropower in the world. Annual expected money is like 300. Annual expected generation is 300 million kilowatt, roughly 3 times what dam produce. Estimated cost over 1 billion and or $137 million. Time and status. Its construction officially began in July 19, 2025. Expected opening in 2033. Challenges: environmental impact, engineering challenges.
Belt and Road Initiative (BRI), China's infrastructure boost. What it is, a broad long-term set of projects by China involving infrastructure corridors, ports, rail roads, of economic zones across Asia, Africa, and Europe, often loosely coordinated but under the One Belt, One Road PRI umbrella. Cost and scale: China has already invested an estimated $1 trillion or more in BRI projects. Some estimates suggest the total investment over life might reach US dollars 4 to 8 trillion or more depending on scope. Goals of BRI are improve connectivity, rails, roads among participating countries, boost trade, foreign investment, economic development, gain geopolitical influence as well. Challenges and status: debt concerns. Some partner countries worry about loan burdens, environmental issues, governance, quality of implementation. Return on investment can be uncertain. QDIA, Saudi Arabia. What it is: an entertainment, tourism, culture, and sports mega project near Riyadh, planned as a massive destination city, part of Vision 2030. Cost and scale: budget $9.8 billion. Includes theme parks, Six Flags, a Formula One racetrack, water parks, aquarina, etc. Timeline and status: construction started in early 2019. Planned to open portions in phases. Some delays. Example: Formula One racetrack now scheduled for 2027 instead of earlier. Challenges: managing construction in desert conditions. Infrastructure such as roads, water, energy must be laid. Attracting visitors, getting the tourism and entertainment ecosystem in place.
Central Yuhan Water Diversion Project. It is a large civil engineering project to bring water from Jinsa River near Nizam to central Yunnan. Involves long tunnels and water canals. Total length of water channels are 664 kilometers. 664 meters. 612 are in tunnels. Discharge capacity is around 135 meters per second. Cost is around $12.3 billion. Timeline: construction started in 2017 and expected to be complete around 2025. Challenges: tunnel construction over long distances, maintaining water quality. Other notable projects: international station. It is an extremely expensive in lifetime cost, but not current infrastructure in the conventional sense on various included Dubai Land, Hong Kong, Dubai, Macau Bridge, etc. Also many large